Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug. So let's first take a look around the outside of the shopping bag. So this is, of course, a plastic Fortnum and Mason's shopping bag. It's nice to see that it is recyclable. And now let's remove the mug from the shopping bag along with the receipt as well. And so you can see this is the Fortnum and Mason's Alphabet J mug. Now let's set the receipt to the side. And this is the mug completely wrapped up in paper. So there we go. And now let's open it up by, of course, being very careful. Should be using a penknife instead. Not sure why I picked the scissors up. So there we go. Just cutting apart that sticky tape there. And it's nice to see that it is bubble wrapped as well. And we can move that wrapping paper off frame right there. And this is the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug, nicely and securely packaged in bubble wrap. And now we have to cut the sticky tape once more. That's keeping the bubble wrap together, and thus revealing the mug once again, but this time around wrapped in another layer of protective wrapping paper. And now let's remove the wrapping paper. To reveal the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug. So this mug comes in all the letters of the alphabet, so 26 letters of the alphabet, and on top of that they also have the ampersand, the Fortnum and Mason's ampersand as well, so altogether 27 characters available to purchase from Fortnum and Mason's. And you can see inside the cup there is some text there that says "Time for tea." And on the underside of the mug you have the Fortnum and Mason established 1707 fine bone china. So giving you a look further out right there. For some sense of scale, I'm going to first set the mug down and now picking it up, so you have some idea of the size of the mug or teacup, which is a modern teacup, of course, not the traditional type. And this has a 350 milliliter capacity, or 350 ml. So it is a fairly large mug, as you can see. And of course, as I mentioned, this is the J alphabet right there, or letter J. So this is known as the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug. So they're available for all 26 letters of the alphabet, as well as the famous Fortnum's ampersand. And the size is pretty nice, as you can see. Pretty large mug with a 350 ml capacity. So there's plenty of drinking to do with a mug this size. and just resting in the palm of my hands there, or in my single hand there, giving you some sense of scale and size. Just giving you some close-up details right now, really close up. And of course that beautiful J right there. So J is one of the hardest letters to find in terms of gifts, because there are lots of names starting with the letter J. Plenty of names with the letter J. So these alphabet or letter type gifts are pretty rare when it comes to the letter J. And just holding it in my left hand, just for some balance. Right there. And now back in my right hand. Now giving you once again that close-up detail of the artwork of this fine bone china right there. And of course, once again, the underside right there. All that close-up detail, and both opposite sides of the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug. And of course the handle detail as well, always nice to see in close-up. And it does have a very large handle to support the large capacity that this 350 ml mug can hold. So right there, once again, good all-round look at this Fortnum and Mason Alphabet J mug. So that's the Fortnum's Alphabet J mug. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!